I think me thinking of becoming a doctor because my parents had a lot of influence on this. They always showed me the good part of what doctors can do to their communities, how they can help patients. And this is how I grew up, and that remained in me. And when I went to college, then I went to medical school, this all became part of it. And I bring it back to my family, to be honest with you, as the main reason how they ingrained that dream in me and became a reality. My name is Ibrahim Omeis. I'm the Chief of Neurosurgery at Lancaster General Hospital here at Penn Medicine. First is we're trying to subspecialize to improve the quality of care as much as we can. As a team, whether in the staff in the office, nurses in the hospital, in the operating room, we all work as one team to provide the best care to these patients. We use top technology like image guidance, microscopes, 3D imaging in the OR, to make sure that everything is done appropriately and with least complications we can do that. And when we talk about back pain, spine problems, is about pain and quality of life. If I can improve their quality of life by performing any procedure on them, I will offer it to them with great certainty. And I think these are the things. So my idea of helping somebody is try to bring them back to independence, less agony when they walk, when they do their daily activities, when they go back to work. If we're able to achieve that, I think we are succeeding. The best part of my job is when you look to somebody in the eyes and you tell them, I can help you, and they trust you. And you take them to the operating room, they come out, they're very happy. You see them walking, you see how they feel. Their smile on their face, is that what makes my day? I've seen it this morning. Yesterday I operated on a couple of patients, and one of my patients, I saw him and he said, wow, I walked 2-3 times since yesterday. I don't have pain. And just the word thank you that comes from them, it means a lot. So these are the things that makes me happy. That's what makes my day, is be able to deliver what I promised, and that patient on the other side really trust me with their care. That makes a big thing to me.